Guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is going to be a day of experimenting. I say day of experimentation because I've mounted my old mobile into a little holder which I printed, a bit of foam to deaden the vibrations a bit, and I'm going to just put it under the wing. That camera I'm going to use, I'm going to put it under the wing there and just have a downward shot. This is by way of perhaps looking for lost models, so we'll give that a go. It'll be interesting. Hopefully this camera is recording, so we'll see what we get. Whew, feels heavy. I'm on low tick over at the moment.
376 feet.
Ah, okay. Let's turn the motor off.
370 feet.
Coming down.
362 feet. 345 feet. 338 feet. 324 feet. 301 feet.
Let's go back up.
So this little model has just landed on the strip, and it's only 4-foot wingspan. You can clearly see it. So from 400 feet, the chances of finding a model is pretty good, especially when you can see such a large area of field. And of course, you know roughly where it went down, so it should pinpoint it pretty easily.
On the patch. Hopefully the camera's still under the wing. If it's not, it's not. It is. Ye of little faith. Right, what I'm doing, guys, I'm going to put this battery back in because one of the guys has landed in the field behind. It's only a little aeroplane, but if I can get there in time, I want to try and see what it looks like on the screen. Don't want to turn it off, so that will go in that way. That will go in under there. That will go in under there. As long as the camera isn't obscured, we're okay. Oops, there we go. Wind's coming up.
Fortunately, after reviewing about 15 minutes of airborne video in slow motion, the model still remains unfound 24 hours later, so therefore it didn't go down where the pilot thought it had gone down. He had a line of sight, but how far away was it? Obviously a lot further than he thought, so it's going to be interesting to find out where the model actually was found and see if I actually did glimpse it and didn't recognize it.
Looks better.
20.7 feet. 20.5 feet.
Okay.
9.3 feet.
Whew. So that was fun, guys. I'm going to check out the camera now and we'll see if we can see where the aeroplane is. That was fun. Oh, what a buoyant day.